It's Devauna and Mom. Last time on Bird Box, Devauna and Mom.
Devauna, something weird are going on. I know, Mom. People are running to their own deaths. They're killing themselves.
This has the government all over it.
It's like a virus or something.
So what you say is, if you see the invisible demons and make you want to kill yourself, I just say we stay here and just wait it out.
Yeah. And if anyone wants to mess with me, I'll just blow them away. Alright?
Hello, please let me in.
Wait, don't you dare think about opening that door.
How are we gonna know what's what and when everything's all over?
Maybe there's a way of seeing outside without going outside. I forgot that there's cameras around the house.
Oh my God. So just remember, everyone, as long as we stay away from the windows, don't go outside, we'll be fine.
I'm just gonna throw it out there, man. We need more food. We need to go to the shops.
Bayard, me nah go out there. Okay, we can take off our blindfolds when we get in. Devauna, I think your mum saw something. Mum, what do you see? All me I say is, me gone.
Help me! Help someone! Help!
Damn it, Dean.
Oh God, there's people out there.
Okay, calm down, Dean. I'm gonna open the door slowly. Just take it easy.
And now,
Alright, Dean, I'm opening the door now. Help me, Dad! Help me, bro! Help me! Okay, guys. Help me, bro! Live on! Help me! Help me! I just meant for him to help us close the door.
Maybe I should have given him the gun.
You had the gun, but you chose to come and help me close the door when you could have just shot him.
Wrong move, eh?
Help me, please. Someone. Please. Please, anyone. Just help me.
I need an explanation. God, that man was definitely infected. But how can he be infected when he was inside the house?
I can answer that.
Daddy, what going on? Who is you?
Oh, I'm Blessing. And to answer your question,
Mum?
Mum, that man that you were on about, he was infected.
I told you.
Somehow he saw what was outside and it affected him in a different way to everyone else.
How do you know all this?
Well, as we all know, or we should know, when you see what's outside, it makes you want to kill yourself.
Yes.
But for some, it makes them happy. They want to see what's outside, so they go around forcing other people to open their eyes too.
And how you know?
Because I'm infected too. I'm only joking. I was in a house and some infected people came and they tricked us. Luckily, I put something over my eyes. I came out knocking on every single door, begging for help. Thankfully, my prayers were answered. It sucks for you guys though, because I'm definitely infected.
Oh no!
I'm only joking. Or am I? I'm joking. But then again...
Blessing, was it?
That's me.
It looks like you isn't as blessed as you thought. You need to come out.
What?
You think I may have time to figure out if you're a joke or if you're not a joke? Come out to the house.
I can't go out there, I'm gonna die.
Me no business. And shame on you for letting her in. The only way you could have seen if your name was Jennifer Hudson, cause boy, God knows I could deal with some good music right now.
And I am dead.
No. She's still not staying, alright?
What?
Look, it's nothing personal, darling, yeah? We already got rid of a few. We already lost a few mates, yeah? We even got attacked by one mate, so we're not taking any chances
But
with you.
why, man? Did you hear the voice?
Listen, she's not staying.
Okay, but
I always wanted to do that.
I am the way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Look, I'm really sorry about what happened earlier. You know, when I let Blessing in, I just thought, oh gosh, what it was like when I was out there. And what would have happened to me if you didn't let me in. My baby.
It's alright, man. Me understand. So, you have a name?
No, not yet. Not with everything that's going on.
Hey.
What about you?
Eh? What you mean?
Your baby? When's it due?
A little dirty stinking martyr girl. Y'all call me fat?
No,
No, yes you are. You think say can me just eat me fat like you? You think say call you pregnant, you can't get a beating like Bana?
I genuinely,
Stand up, girl! And listen here.
Oh, it's time!
It's time.
It's time!
Oh God, it's time.
Oh my God!
You're doing well. Push.
I am pushing!
Make me help, man. Make me help. Oh, me think him have it, man. Me think him. Oh my God, is that the leg?
That's
Pooh. Oh. Sorry. Just you can take the poo here. Take it.
Alright, big push, I can see your head. Big push.
You do it. Such an ugly, beautiful baby. She do it.
See the baby?
Give back the baby, Blessing.
Hey guys, look outside. Look, isn't it lovely? Look outside. Come on, Daddy, come on.
Oh, the please.
Come on! No, just look at me! Just look!
Isn't it lovely? Look at it.
Mom.
Oh no, not me.
Come on,
You think
Mom.
because you're a nice boy, she can kill me? No
Come
way.
on, just see, it's so beautiful!
You just about got me.
You'll pay for that.
Oh no, I didn't mean it. No, get off her! Oh, I can't see!
I'm sorry you didn't get to see it. Now you had to die a boring death.
Vanna. Oh, Vanna, my son. Okay, girl. So remember all the rules. No looking, no speaking, and no matter what, if you think me need your help, me don't. So don't come after me. Just run and run and run and run. Okay? Okay.
So, Mum, where to now?
The perfect place. 110% safe. Church. Trust me, my pastor can deal with any demons.
Okay, okay. I trust you.
Alright. Alright, Vanna, just follow me, alright?
Hey there, guys. Take off your blindfold.
Take it out! No! Them find us! Vanna, quick! Run, Vanna, run!
But, Mum, what about the girl?
Who?
The girl, Mum. The girl you've looked after for 6 years. Haven't given her a name. Just call her girl.
Oh! Well, she's not my real daughter. My youth, you better run, car. Me gone!
No, I can't leave.
You better take off your blindfold before I take it off for you.
I'm coming!
Come on, don't leave me.
Vanna, come! In the words of Biggie Smalls, it was all a dream. Why do we keep having these weird dreams? Oh boy, only God knows.
Zanaya, plastic thing. Shh.
The perfect place, 100% safe.